The environmental impact of CNC machining is significant. Traditional systems consume large amounts of energy, translating into high greenhouse gas emissions. They also use vast amounts of water, converting it into wastewater and often even hazardous waste due to the introduction of heavy metals, not to mention the bacteria in those fluids. PureCut changes this by enabling machining operations with fewer machine tools, fewer cutting tools, and completely eliminating water and wastewater and bacteria from the process. This is critical because the machine tools and cutting tools have a much higher carbon footprint than the cutting fluids. And traditional cutting fluids are constantly recirculated, adding even further greenhouse gas emissions. By using recycled carbon dioxide, PureCut can reduce life cycle greenhouse gas emissions by over 70% in most applications. And while carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, we use such a small amount of it, which is already captured and recycled, that the preparation and usage are far more efficient and sustainable than traditional cutting fluids. PureCut offers a groundbreaking way to reduce energy use, eliminate water waste, and cut emissions, making machining greener than it's ever been before.